Have you ever wondered what it really takes to run a company and make it successful? Today, we're diving deep into the life of a CEO, the mastermind behind every major business decision and the driving force of a company's vision. Let's break down what a CEO actually does and why their role is crucial. The role of a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, is to lead and manage an organization at the highest level. Their primary responsibility is to make major corporate decisions, ensure the company's success, and represent the company's vision and values. Here's an overview of a CEO's work. 1. Strategic planning. Define the company's vision, mission, and long-term goals. Develop and implement strategies to achieve business objectives. Identify opportunities for growth and innovation. 2. Leadership. Lead the executive team and ensure alignment with the company's goals. Motivate and inspire employees at all levels. Establish a positive and productive company culture. 3. Decision-making. Make critical business decisions, such as entering new markets or launching products. Approve budgets, investments, and major expenditures. Resolve high-level organizational challenges. 4. Financial oversight. Oversee the company's financial performance and profitability. Work with the CFO, Chief Financial Officer, to analyze financial data and manage resources. Ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. 5. Stakeholder management. Communicate with the board of directors and provide regular updates. Build relationships with investors, partners, and key stakeholders. Act as the public face of the company in media and industry events. 6. Risk management. Identify potential risks and create mitigation strategies. Ensure the company adheres to ethical practices and industry standards. 7. Innovation and growth. Drive innovation in products, services, and processes. Explore partnerships, mergers, and acquisitions to expand the business. 8. Performance monitoring. Evaluate the company's progress towards its goals. Track the performance of departments and key employees. Adjust strategies based on performance data and market changes. A CEO's responsibilities vary based on the size, industry, and goals of the organization, but their ultimate aim is to ensure the company thrives and remains competitive.